In this video, we're going to be exploring product of powers. If we have factors of 4, in this case, these are two factors of 4. So 4 times 4 and 4 times 4 times 4. So 3 factors of 4, 2 factors of 4. Because the base is the same, in this case it is 4, we can rewrite this as 4 to the power 2 and add the exponents. So we could do 2 plus 3, which is 4 to the power 5. And that's how I would express this as product of powers. We can also work with algebraic terms. For example, c to the power of 3 times c to the power of 5. Here, because the base is the same, I've got c here and c there. I can just add the exponents. So c to the power of 3 plus 5, which is c to the power of 8. I could also work with an example that is more detailed. So negative 3x to the power of 2 times 4x to the power of 5. And I would multiply, in this case, the numbers or the constants in this case. So negative 3 times 4. And then I would work with the variables and their exponents. So x to the power of 2 times x to the power of, let me write it down here below. So this would be negative 3 times 4, and that will be x to the power 2 times x to the power 5. Now here, what I can do is I can multiply the numbers, in this case, negative 3 and 4, which are two constants, so that's negative 12. And then I can add the exponents because the base is the same, which is x. So I have x to the power of 2 plus 5, and this is 12, negative 12, x to the 7th power. That will be a simplified form. The other thing we can do also with powers is what we call quotient of powers. Now, if we have quotient of powers, quotient of powers. Now, with quotient of powers, what we can do is, if we're dividing exponential terms, for example, 3 to the power 6 over 3 to the power 2. Now remember, if you're solving a question like that, you have the factors of 3 from the numerator are 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 3's on top, and on the bottom we have 2 factors of 3, 3 times 3. Now, what will happen is I can cancel out. If I divide 3 divided by 3 is 1, that cancels out. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now, I'm going to be left only with 4 factors of 3, which in this case is 3 to the power of 4. Another way you can think of it also is, if the base is the same, when you're dividing quotient of powers, you can actually subtract the exponents. So I have 3 to the power 6 minus 2. And this is 3 to the power of 4. That's how you would do it.